Alright, we're going to take a look at the emergency alerts feature, which is one of the functions available with Twine Complete or Twine with a communications add-on. And when we log in here as a school level administrator, what you'll notice if you are a subscriber to one of those subscription levels is that you've got an app here under the applications panel called Emergency Alerts. When I open that up, it's going to show us any draft alerts that might have been written. What's nice is we can actually draft our alerts in advance and then come back and send them at a later time. So if you wanted to queue up an alert for an emergency weather closing or whatever it might be, we can actually set that up here. To create a brand new alert, I'm going to come over here to the New Alert button. And alerts are designed to be really simple. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say, this is a test of the emergency alert system for Twine Academy, right? This is where you might say we are going to close 2 hours late tomorrow due to snow or whatever it might happen to be. I have a choice of sending to parents and staff, or parents only, or staff only, whatever I want to do here. And what we're sending to is going to be the mobile number. So for staff, we have a mobile number in the Twine SIS, for parents as well. So any staff in this case who have a mobile number defined will receive this. When I save this, it adds it to my list of drafts. So there's my test of the emergency alert system. And to send it, I simply come here and click send. That is all there is to it. All right, enjoy. Thank you.